Hey everybody, it's Holly at the Plymouth Library, and I wanted to do a quick demo of our brand new library app. It's available in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Just search for the Plymouth District Library and you will find it. Looks like this. This is the home screen of it. There are some new books that scroll across the top there. You can just tap one of those icons to get more information about that book, place a hold on that place hold link, or tap the Copies tab to find out where in the library this item is available, and if it's available or if it's checked out. I'm going to tap the Home icon, which is always at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and show you some of these other icons. Search Our Collections goes right into the library catalog where you can search by title or author or subject. I'm going to search for a book called Finding Langston. And found the book. I can place a hold right there or tap the square to get more information about this book. There's a summary, some subject terms, other information about that. The Copies tab again tells you the shelf location and the call number and whether the item is available or checked out. And as always, you can place a hold right there at the top of the screen. Let me go back to the home page and talk about the events icon. It takes you right into our event calendar where you can see all the fun things going on at the library. If you want more information about something, just tap the square and read all about it. You can add this event to your calendar, your Google Calendar, or iCal, whatever it is that you use. You can register for the event if that's required, so that you are ready to go for all of our fun events. Let's go back to the home page. There's a link to our digital resources, which is our ebooks and streaming services, our research databases, and our online learning products. Back to the home page, library information tells you our address and our phone number, our email address, today's hours, our regular weekly hours, holiday closings, and then it links you into some of the services that are on our website as well. Back to home. That was library information. There's a cool new feature called mobile checkout where you can use your phone's camera to actually check items out. So mobile checkout opens your camera. You're going to find the barcode under the cover of the book and just scan that barcode. It'll add that checkout to your checkouts tab on that screen. That's kind of a cool new service. I like that. If you can't find an item in our catalog, you can try the Michigan e-library. It's that last icon on the page there, straight to MEL, and it'll take you into mel.org where you can search the statewide catalog by title or author or subject, whatever, to see if another library will interlibrary loan that item to you. I'm going to click the X at the top left-hand corner of the screen to go back into the regular app page. Once you link your library card, your 14-digit library card, and it'll ask you for your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number, and then your account page will show your library card. You can go and see what checked out items are. Tap the radio button and tap renew to renew that item. It says item renewed successfully. We'll dismiss that. So these are items checked out to me. Let's go back to account. The card wallet, I think I skipped that. It's just your library card again. Fines and fees, if you had any, would be listed there. We'll go ahead and dismiss that. And my holds are items that I have on hold. Again, with that radio button, check the button there and tap manage. You can cancel your holds if you don't need them anymore. You can change the pickup date and things like that. So that was the account page. The contact us page, similar to that library information icon on the home page. This takes you right into a way to call us. If you tap call us, it opens your phone app. If you tap email us, it goes into your email app directly to contact us quickly and easily. We'll cancel out of there. And then card is the last thing on the page. Again, it's just your library card. I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day.